My name is Doug Kiefer and I'm with Spectrum Technologies. Today we're going to walk through the setup and calibration of the wireless ISFET probe. We'll cover how to power on the wireless probe, enabling Bluetooth on both iPhone and Android devices, connecting the probe to the Spectrum Technologies FieldScout PHEC app, and finally how to properly calibrate the meter. Before we begin, let's go over what you'll need. To calibrate the wireless ISFET pH probe, here's what you'll need. The wireless ISFET probe itself, a mobile phone, tablet, or iPad with the FieldScout PHEC ORP app installed, pH 4 and pH 7 calibration solutions, a cup or beaker with a paper towel to clean the probe, and some rinse water. Now, let's quickly walk through how to turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone and Android device. We'll cover two simple ways for each, using the quick access controls and the settings menu so you can get connected fast. Enabling Bluetooth on iPhone using Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Look for the Bluetooth icon. It looks like a stylized bee. If the icon is gray, Bluetooth is off. Tap it once to turn it blue, which means Bluetooth is now enabled. You may see a pop-up asking you to select a Bluetooth device. Since we won't be connecting to the wireless probe just yet, you can go ahead and close that window. Enabling Bluetooth using the settings menu. Open the settings app from your home screen. Tap on Bluetooth. Toggle the switch next to Bluetooth to the on position. It will turn green. Again, if a pop-up appears prompting you to choose a device, simply dismiss it for now. Now that we've seen how to enable Bluetooth on an iPhone, let's take a look at how to do the same thing on an Android device. Enabling Bluetooth from the Quick Settings menu. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth icon. It usually looks like a bee made out of two triangles. If the icon is gray or dim, that means Bluetooth is off. Tap it once to turn it on. If a list appears or a window pops up showing nearby Bluetooth devices, go ahead and close it or click Done. Enabling Bluetooth from the Settings app. You can also turn on Bluetooth from the full Settings menu. Tap Connections, then tap Bluetooth. From here, toggle the switch to turn Bluetooth on. If a list appears or a window pops up showing nearby Bluetooth devices, close it or go back to the settings screen. We'll be connecting to the wireless ISFET sensor directly through the FieldScout PH app. And that's it. Bluetooth is now enabled on your phone and you're ready to continue. To power on the ISFET probe, press and hold the on-off icon. The LED will turn blue while searching for a connection. Open the FieldScout PHEC app on your mobile device. In the app, tap Add Device. Select Search for Probe and wait for the app to find your device. Once the probe is detected, the serial number of your transmitter will be displayed. The LED light on the probe will turn green, indicating a successful pairing. Your wireless pH probe is now connected to the app and ready for calibration. With the app open and your probe connected via Bluetooth, follow these steps to calibrate the probe. You can perform a 1-point or 2-point calibration. In this video, for greater accuracy, we'll be doing a 2-point calibration using pH 4 and pH 7 buffer solutions. In the app, tap on any of the data fields. Scroll down and select New pH Calibration. Follow the on-screen prompts. Tap Next, then select the Spectrum buffer set. Choose the 2-point calibration and select pH 4 and pH 7 as your reference values. Remove the cap from the sensor tip. Tap Next again and place the probe in pH 4 buffer. Make sure the sensor is fully submerged in the buffer during each step. Tap Start Calibration and wait. This may take a moment to complete. Once complete, the blue dot next to pH 4 will turn green, confirming success. Remove the probe, rinse it with clean water, and gently dry. Place it in the pH 7 solution. Again, tap Start Calibration and wait. When the blue dot turns green, the calibration is complete. When both steps are complete, tap Save to store the calibration. Tap on any of the data fields and scroll down to view the slope value. It should fall between 95 and 105%. If it's outside that range, we recommend repeating the calibration. Your wireless pH probe is now fully connected and calibrated, ready for accurate measurements. Thank you for watching.
Learn more online or call and speak with a specialist today.